I'm going to show you how to fix a blurry photo using AI in just a few clicks for free. I'm in Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com, and I'm going to click on Nano Banana again, and clicking my plus sign, upload file. I have selected a very blurry photo that I want to make clear and crisp as though it was taken with a high resolution photo. I'm just going to scrape out this default text here and put in my own prompt. And I'm just saying this photo is blurry. Make it crisp and sharp as though it was taken with a high resolution DSLR camera, and make it look like a professionally taken photo. Maintain complete fidelity to all human subjects. Preserve original facial features, expressions, body positioning, and clothing without any modifications to the human subjects. You'll see that in a lot of my prompts, and you'll see that if you ever try making a prompt without that, you sometimes get some unexpected results. I'm going to click Run. And that looks very good. Fantastic. All right, you can see that this is no longer a blurry picture, and it's made a realistic rendition of what that photo should have looked like had it been taken with a high-resolution camera. And that's how you fix a blurry photo using AI. Please subscribe for more easy, practical, jargon-free AI tutorials.